Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to interact with Gemini AI. Whether you are new to AI or just curious about what Gemini can do, this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Gemini AI app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you can easily sign in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this interface. Now, in order to interact with the Gemini AI, here you can see the text field at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. You can simply ask what's the weather today and tap on send button. As you can see, Gemini instantly responds with the current weather conditions. So this is just one example of what Gemini can do. You can also interact using your voice. Here you can see the microphone icon. Tap. So you can ask anything using your voice too, and it'll respond accordingly. If you also want to ask Gemini AI questions anytime while you are using the phone, then you can enable the Gemini AI Assistant feature. Here at the top right corner, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it. Now go to settings. Here you can see the Google Assistant features in Gemini. Tap on it. Select Hey Google and Voice Match option. Now over here, you need to enable this Hey Google option. You can simply follow all the process and set up your voice. So after you enable this option, you can just say Hey Google whenever your screen is on, and the Gemini Assistant will be activated, and you can simply ask your questions instantly. So that's how you can interact with Gemini AI on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.